Hello, and welcome to YP Investors Quick Tips. Today we have an exciting episode for you as we are going over the new features added to our tools. So let's scroll right into the Tools tab and check out the new features added to the Stock Selector tool first. So we'll click on Stock Selector. And to see the new features, let's type in a stock symbol. Let's start off with Tesla, TSLA. Click Check Stock. As you can see, one of the new features is the auto scroll down to the positive technical attributes, and then while the technical attributes were being calculated and the chart was being plotted, there was a progress bar that popped up. And I can show you again if we just re-click Check Stock. You can see the progress bar displays right below the positive technical attributes, and as soon as the calculations are finished, the progress bar is gone. So let's scroll down. As you can see, this remains the same. The positive technical attributes are displayed. And now we have chart data, earnings, and company details tables. So a lot of the same stuff remains here. What we added was the 5-day change and the 30-day change. So here you can see like the month that Tesla has gone down 31.89% in the last 30 days, which is about a month. Same thing in the last week, Tesla's gone down 5%. In the earnings section, we've had this info on there in the past. Now we added the dividend rate, and then the ex-dividend date, which is the past dividend date, and the next dividend date. And since Tesla does not provide a dividend for its stockholders, there will be nothing displayed there. Moving over to company details, we have market cap, shares outstanding, and the PE ratio. We also have the sector, the industry, exchange, employees, and the CEO. So some of these are new categories that we're displaying for you. And now we also display the name of the ticker and the company name right by the point and figure chart and all these tables, so it's easy for you to remember instead of scrolling way back up to the top of the page like there was in the past. We still have the company details and the ticker and the company name up at the top for your reference. And then we have the current price displayed next to the ticker here and closer to the point and figure chart, so you can see, okay, the current price is in 193, so you check and you see that the highlighted area, the 193, falls between 194 and 192, so you know that the price is right here. And actually the Tesla stock is about to hit a double top signal, as you can see here. This column got up to 193 or 192. This one's at 192, and if it hits 194, that'd be a double top buy signal. So maybe Tesla's starting to turn things around here. Alright, let's check out the next new feature in the point and figure charting. So let's click on P&F charting. And let's check out Amazon, AMZN. Click Generate Point and Figure Chart. As you can see, we have the scroll here on this tool as well, and the progress bar popped up. And now on the point and figure charting tool, we display the ticker and the company, so AMZN, and then the Amazon Inc. We also display the current prices in the past and the current trend. And then we have the same chart data chart and the company details chart as we described in the Stock Selector tool. So as you can see, Amazon went down 7% in the last week, and in the last month it's only been down 10%. And then we have employees, CEO, PE ratio, and the shares outstanding and market cap. And finally, let's go check out the relative strength tool, see what we added here. And here, let's just check out Facebook and see how they've been doing versus the market. So, as you can see, when I clicked or I pushed enter, you can either push enter or click calculate RS versus market. The calculating pops up, so you know that it's calculating, and the progress bar will pop up. As soon as the calculations, the relative strength calculations are finished, the progress bar will go away and you'll have the results. So as we can see, the market has been doing better than Facebook in a relative strength battle. So we hope you enjoy these new tools added to YP Investors, and We'd love to have you as members. If you're interested in signing up, there's a free trial membership. Just come over to YP Investors and click on register or sign up for a free trial, and you'll get a 3-week free trial. Thanks for joining us today, and good luck on your investments.